Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video where we are going to be taking a look at putting on, got my GoPro Hero 10 here guys, brand new one, where we're going to be taking a look at putting on new handguards on the Outlander XMR 850. Let's get a look at these buggers. Here we are right here. I'll have these, the part number and everything, link where you can order them from Amazon will be down below in the description. So, does the color match? First thing. It looks like it does. Super close. Actually, I think it does match. Cool. That's what I was kind of wondering about, is if that color would match or not. So, let me see if I can get that to stay up there. But that is what we're going to be putting on today. Just kind of something to change up the look a little bit, switch out the black on the normal handguards over to these ones here, and they just mount, should be like a clip. Yeah, you got one kind of like a nut and stuff right here. You just undo this little Allen screw and a nut, and then on this part here you just have a bolt that you got to drill the hole on this side. Let me zoom out. So you got this screw here that's got to go in here, but you have a spot right there marked out. So all I got to do is drill that out and we'll be able to mount this on here. So before, after. I think that's going to look pretty darn sharp. Before, after. Heck yeah. Alright guys, let's get into it. Let me get this unbolted, get this mounted up. I'm going on a ride here this afternoon. Maybe I'll post a little footage from that. We'll see. It's been pretty dry, but we'll see if we get any interesting footage. If so, I'll post it up. But for now, let me get this mounted up. Alright guys, there we go. We got the one side on, as you can tell right here. That yellow and black is looking sweet, guys. I really like that more than the standard just straight black. Kind of makes a wheeler pop out. Seems like it makes it pop more to me. Can't wait to see the other side, what that looks like once we get that on there. Alright guys, we got them both on there. Moment of truth. You ready to see what this bad boy looks like? There you go. Look at that. Man, does that look nice. That yellow makes it really pop. Almost a little too much in my opinion, but I think it looks really nice. So if you like it stand out a little more, definitely go with these handguards. Otherwise, if you like it to blend in, probably stay the black handguards. But either way, they mount up nice. So all it is again is just your one bolt here, which I did put a blue Loctite thread locker on it, and then just that little nut right there with you got to use an Allen wrench to get the back side of it off there. So just undo that one and this one, and then you're good. But I put Loctite on them just to make sure it'll hold them. Don't want anything accidentally coming off or anything. So, but yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. Check out my channel. And I will have them down below in the description where you can buy them on Amazon. Anything you do buy through there helps me out just a little bit. So I greatly appreciate it, guys. Yeah, leave a comment. Like to hear from you guys. Appreciate any feedback, positive, negative, whatever. So take it easy, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. You're with us, brother. Oh, heck yeah! Oh, there's a stick. Yeah. Dang, you went She's getting warm, you can smell it. Yay! That or no, that's mud you're smelling, that's what it is.